Let me let you in on a secret. What if I told you there's a way to save on your energy bills, make your home more valuable, and contribute to saving the planet? With Harbor Solar, you can do just that. It's real, and it's happening right now. You've likely seen the headlines, heard the rumblings, and maybe even done a bit of research on your own about solar. It's everywhere. Let's be honest, traditional energy, it's expensive, and the cost keeps rising. You're constantly renting your energy, paying more, and getting less. Now imagine flipping the script, a scenario where you're not just an energy consumer, but you're the owner. That's what solar brings to the table. Still skeptical? Personal finance guru Dave Ramsey publicly advocates for and endorses solar and how it's taking the world by storm. It's not just about saving money on bills, though that's a pretty sweet bonus, but also about owning your energy and making a smart, long-term investment. And guess what? It doesn't come with any liens on your home. Here's another fact. Homes with solar panels are quicker to sell, and buyers are willing to pay a premium for them. Why? Because everyone loves the idea of lower utility bills and a cleaner environment. It's a win-win. And while you're busy saving money, you're also saving the planet. How's that for multitasking? To give you an idea, a single rooftop solar panel system can reduce pollution equivalent to parking 20 cars for an entire year. That's some serious environmental impact. If you're stuck on the myth that solar only works when it's sunny, allow us to put your mind at ease. Today's solar tech can capture and store energy even on rainy and snowy days. Plus, there's the added perk of becoming an energy producer yourself. Generate more power than you need, sell the excess back to the electric company. It's like running your very own energy business right from home. And let's not forget the tax credits and rebates. It's like the government is paying you to save. Solar isn't a sales pitch. It's an IQ test. And it's simpler than you think. All you need is a 650 FICO score and no money down. No catches, no small print. Embracing solar is making a stand. A stand for your wallet, your future, and for the planet we all share. So why keep paying more for less? Make the smart choice. Reach out to a Harbor Solar consultant today for a free energy savings analysis. Unleash the power of the sun. And let's sail together into a future filled with promise. The revolution is here, my friend. It's time to step into your power. Are you ready? Let's light up your world together. Contact the consultant who sent you this video and schedule your complimentary energy savings analysis today.